The PMO is the highest authority in skill development. May I now request the chief guest, along with guest of honor, to kindly rise up and come aside to declare JCRE Skill Solutions as the certified partner of NSDC.
JCRE Skill Solutions, empowering our youth. The first certified partner of National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation in Manipur.
Thank you so much for declaring JCRE Skill Solutions as a certified partner of NSDC. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in the history of Manipur, JCRE Skill Solutions organized the first skill competition in Manipur called Manipur Skilled Competition. 3 sectors of organized retail, hospitality, and tailoring apparel were targeted. Winners of this competition could go on to compete in the national skill competition and then world skill competition. There are first, second, and third prize in each category. Winners will be awarded with cash and certificates of recognition. We begin with the apparel sector. Naurem Sakhi Devi of Chingamaka. First position, Naurem Sakhi Devi from Chingamaka in the apparel sector. May I now call upon the Honorable Minister, Shri I. Hemochandra Singh, to give away cash and recognition certificates to the deserving winners of the Manipur Skill Competition. Naurem Sakhi Devi, first position in the apparel sector. Second position, Puyam Sophia Devi of Khongman. Puyam Sophia Devi, winner of the second position in the apparel sector. Third position, Ningombam Monica from Thangmaiban. Ningombam Monica from Thangmaiban. Third position winner in the apparel sector, Ningombam Monica from Thangmaiban. Hospitality sector, first position, K. Clarence Ribeiro of Montipukri. K. Clarence Ribeiro of Montipukri. First position, hospitality sector. Second position, Paikomba Oinam of Singjamei. Hospitality sector, second position, Paikomba Oinam from Singjamei. Third position, Ambika Gurung of Kanglatombi. Winner of the third place, hospitality sector, Ambika Gurung from Kanglatombi. In the retail sector, T.H. Romi Singh of LG Shop Khoyatong, winner of the first place. Please give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Winner of the first place, T.H. Romi Singh. Second place goes to Ronald Roy of LG Shop Thangal Bazaar. Retail sector, second place winner, Ronald Roy of LG Shop Thangal Bazaar. And the third place goes to Sarangthem Pinku Devi of Panasonic Chingmeirong. Thank you so much to the chief guest for doing us the honors. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, distribution of certificates to participants in a 1-month corporate training program of the first batch of Customer Care Center CCC staff of the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSP DCL, at JCRE Solutions. May I now call upon Maitan Kaisangbam Lakpati Khuman. M. Lakpati Khuman. May I request our special guest, Shri Sudan Ramaswamy IAS, Managing Director of the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSP DCL, to give away the certificates. Maitan Kaisangbam Lakpati Khuman. Secondly, I call upon Kaithe Lakpam Rosen. Kaithe Lakpam Rosen. Next, Khaidem Kajal Kumar Meite. After Kaithe Lakpam Rosen, Khaidem Kajal Kumar Meite. Next, Laimayung Satish Kumar Sharma. Khaidem Kajal Kumar Meite, coming to receive the certificate. Next, Laimayung Satish Kumar Sharma. Next, Manohar Mayum Daina Devi. Next, Maitan Kaisangbam Leila Devi. M. Leila Devi. After M. Leila Devi, Oinam Kintu. Oinam Kintu, please come up. Next, Rajkumar Rutam Singh. Rajkumar Rutam Singh, please stand near the dais. Rajkumar Rutam Singh and Rajkumar Jurnikanta Singh, please get ready. Kindly stand near the dais, Rajkumar Jurnikanta Singh. Next, Swami Khagokpam, kindly stand near the dais. Rajkumar Jurnikanta Singh. Next, Swami Khagokpam. Next, Thangjam Ranajit Singh. Thangjam Ranajit Singh. Thingujam Pravin Singh. Next, Universe Elangbam. Universe Elangbam, the last recipient. Thank you so much to Shri Sudan Ramaswamy IAS, the Managing Director of the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, for giving away the certificates. Ladies and gentlemen, Staff and Trainers Certificate of Recognition. Haisnam Lakeshwar Singh. He is the head of operations in JCRE Skill Solutions. He has been a valuable part of JCRE since the beginning of the organization. He has borne the pain of a startup and has a major contribution towards where JCRE stands today. Lakeshwar loves discussing entrepreneurship and organizational development. May we now request the guest of honor, Shri Onnabakishore Singh, IAS CEO and Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, to give away the certificate of recognition to the staff and trainers. Haisnam Lakeshwar Singh. Eliza Soram, she is the admin manager. She has been with JCRE ever since it opened its doors in May 2013. Her interview was taken on a dirty and dusty table when JCRE office was not ready, yet it didn't perturb her from joining JCRE. Colleagues describe her as a true workaholic and a perfect executionist. Eliza Soram. Satish Singh Thodam. Satish is the marketing manager. Satish brings in great planning, common sense, practical approach, and innovative ideas. He is responsible for integrated marketing communications for JCRE. He is very serious at work with an occasional burst of laughter. Satish Singh Thodam. Adhikari Mayum Susanta Sharma. Shusanta is the admin support executive. Packed with common sense and the ability to observe minute details, he is often described as the rising star of JCRE. He says his learning curve has been the highest with JCRE. Adhikari Mayum Susanta Sharma. Ngobisana Soram. Ngobisana is the admin executive. She stands testimony to the benefit of hiring a fresh graduate. To her, quality of work is more important than anything else. A true asset to the organization. Ngobisana Soram. Yambam Biki. Biki is the business development executive. His networking ability with the industry has widened the way JCRE views the market. Attention to details and execution are his hallmarks. Yambam Biki. Kontaujam Nganthoibi Chenu. She is the executive in the new employment park. She coordinates job placement for the trainees with the industry. Kontaujam Nganthoibi Chenu. Birda Kumar Mete. He is the IT support executive. He links the entire IT network of JCRE. He enables information at everybody's finger. Birda Kumar Mete. S.H. Rengnerel Karam. He is the mobilization executive, conducts career counseling and motivation in nook and corner of urban and rural areas in Manipur. S.H. Rengnerel Karam. Sobam Herojit Singh. He was working with JCRE Skill Solutions for about 10 months as an IT trainer. He has contributed to a great extent in training students. Sobam Herojit Singh. Tiam Surjit Mete. He is a guest faculty in accountancy. He is a highly qualified trainer in accountancy. It is a great privilege to associate with him. His quality training is loved by the trainees. Tiam Surjit Mete. Nandita Soram. She is the guest faculty in apparel. She possesses a brilliant quality of being a trainer. She is punctual and teaches with immense enthusiasm. She also maintains a great relationship with the trainers. Nandita Soram. Nauroibam Jayalaxmi Devi. She has been working as a guest faculty in healthcare for more than 10 months. JCRE Skill Solutions recognizes her valuable work in training the students. Nauroibam Jayalaxmi Devi. Haishnam Lakeshwar Singh. Last but not the least, a very special prize of the year. I'm happy to announce that Haishnam Lakeshwar Singh is the Employee of the Year 2015. Please give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. He is the first employee of JCRE Skill Solutions in July 2011 and started from scratch to build the organization. He has had a very high learning curve in the organization, conducting training, handling administration, looking after compliance, marketing, etc. He is highly regarded by his colleagues and a great team player. Haishnam Lakeshwar Singh. We thank the guest of honor, Shri Onnabukishore Singh IAS, for giving away the certificates and cash awards. Ladies and gentlemen, and now the trainee's certificate of recognition. Jyoti Kumari from Ningthau Kong. She is currently studying accountancy and tele at JCRE Skill Solutions. She also studied DTP and IT fundamentals from this institute. She comes regularly and travels up and down all the way from Ningthau Kong to Thangmeiban in the early morning at 7 a.m. This award is given to her for her sincerity and dedication. The guest of honor, Dr. T.H. Doubly Singh, Managing Director, Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, to do us the honors. Jyoti Kumari. Mukta Sobam from Langtabal. Mukta studied in IT fundamentals, tele and soft skills. He had been a keen learner all throughout the trainings. We present this award in recognition of his performance. Mukta Sobam from Langtabal. H.A. Yurathan from Dulaland. Yurathan studied soft skills, junior HR associate and IT fundamentals. He had achieved 75% of attendance in junior HR associate training. He deserves this award for his hard work and good conduct. H.A. Yurathan from Dulaland. Vaikom Ranjit Singh of Kontha Ahaluk Mamang Lekai. Ranjit was one of the brightest students in the class of Retail Sales Associate Training under the STAR scheme. He also studied accounting, tele and retail. His enthusiasm in learning things will never be forgotten, so we present him this certificate and the cash award in recognition of his performance. Vaikom Ranjit Singh of Kontha Ahaluk Mamang Lekai. Past trainees in General Duty Assistant GDA certified by National Council of Vocational Training NCVT. Anita Karka Chetri. Anita Karka Chetri. After Anita Karka, please get ready near the dais, Binita Asem. Anita Karka and Binita Asem, please stand near the dais. Next, Lukram Bidya Lakshmi Chanu. All of you please line up near the dais. Binita Asem. Then Lukram Bidya Lakshmi, kindly stand near the dais. Sapam Priyapati Devi, kindly stand near the dais. Please stand closer to the dais to save time. All of you please. Sapam Priyapati Devi, Soyam Lilapati Chanu, Taunaujam Kiran Bala Chanu, Wazira Begum. Lukram Bidya Lakshmi Chanu, Sapam Priyapati Devi, Soyam Lilapati Chanu, Taunaujam Kiran Bala Chanu, Kiran Bala Chanu, Taunaujam. And Wazira Begum. Wazira Begum, the last recipient. Thank you so much to our guest of honor, Dr. T.H. Doubly Singh. Sir, thank you. May I now request the chief guest and guest of honor to kindly go down the stage and take your respective seats in the front row. Ladies and gentlemen, there is now a tea break of 10 minutes. Tea is served at the entrance area. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and right after tea break, we will resume.